Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to append all the CSV files or how to combine all the CSV files at one location. Okay. So this is our workflow. Previous workflow was created. So this is our new workflow 2. Basically this is a canvas and below side you can see this particular result workflow. So we will take this particular, you can see this particular favorite tab, in out tab. This is nothing but the same thing which is available in the favorite tab. So just take in this particular input data. For that purpose, what we have to do, we have to first import a CSV file by using this particular tab input data. So you can find out or connect the file or database over here. So it is now saying that connect to our data. So you can connect to a data. Before that, I will show you how I am having this particular. So append data all CSV. So I have created this folder in which I will be having this particular two CSV files. One of the file name is bestsellers with categories and second one is wholesalers with categories. So this was the file. I'll minimize this. So now we have to connect to a CSV file. Click on files. Select file. Yeah. So path was chosen bestsellers with category. Click on this. Now you can find the first 100 reviews over here, and then you can click on just run or control plus R. Then the result will be available in the result workflow. Yeah, so it is now saying that 7 of 7 fields and there are 550 records displayed over here. Okay, so this is the thing about our bestsellers. If you want to display bestsellers with categories, so this is nothing but the data of books which are best sold, bestseller books data is there. So if I want to take the second file which is having name as this file, wholesaler with categories. So if I want to take this particular file, so what I will use, I will use the simple trick over here. I'll just go to this particular bestseller with category. So I'll erase this particular bestseller with, and I'll just use star. So these are the shortcuts which we have also used in this SQL. So as the path is given that append data all CSV file. So this is nothing but a folder. So the meaning of this is that if there are multiple CSV files, but if the files is going to end with the same word, so the word was category. So if it is going to end with the same word categories, bestseller with categories and wholesaler with categories. So bestsellers with and wholesalers with, I have replaced the bestsellers with part. I have only put star over here. So all the files will be combined. Here 550 records is going to display. Now I'll just click on run. So you can find double will be the records. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So 7 of 7 fields, but the records was doubled. So you can see over here that 1100 records, 1100 records is over here. If you want to display the file name, you can just click on this particular case. So output file name only. You have to just click on this particular file name and just click on run, so that it will clarify that 550 records was from bestsellers with category and 550 was from wholesalers with category. Yeah. So Alteryx has done its work. 6 seconds. Yeah. So over here, previously it was 7 fields. Now it was 8 fields. So you can observe over here best sellers with category. So 550 records for best sellers with categories. Now wholesalers with categories. So over and all, there are 1100 records. That's it for this video. I hope you have understood how to append the data or how to combine all CSV files at one location. Thanks for watching.